One of the most frustrating things in the garden is when everything ripens at once. You're drowning in lettuce for 2 weeks and then it's gone. Or you plant one big bed of green beans, harvest like crazy, and then you're done for the season. Succession planting fixes that. Once you understand it, your garden becomes a steady conveyor belt of fresh food all season long. Succession planting simply means staggering plantings so crops mature at intervals instead of all at once. There are three main types, and understanding all three gives you a lot more flexibility. Make sure you watch until the end because number 3 can really change how you use your garden space. The first type is staggered planting of the same crop. Instead of sowing a full row of lettuce at once, sow 1/3. 2 to 3 weeks later, sow another third. 2 to 3 weeks after that, sow the final third. Now your lettuce is ready in waves, giving you 6 to 8 weeks of harvest instead of 2. Radishes, lettuce, spinach, arugula, cilantro, and green beans all work well this way. With beans, planting a small new row every 2 weeks can keep you picking from early summer to frost. I'll drop a link in the description for these seeds. The second type is choosing varieties with different maturity dates. Pick one early, one mid-season, and one late variety of the same crop. With carrots, for example, you could plant a 60-day, 75-day, and 90-day variety at the same time, and they'll mature progressively without much extra planning. The third type is succession between crops, where one finished crop is followed by another. When spring lettuce bolts in June, pull it and plant a heat-tolerant crop like beans or basil. When beans finish in late summer, follow with a fall crop like kale or arugula. Your beds stay in production. To make this work, keep a small garden area or a few containers ready for the next planting. You can also pre-start seeds indoors so the next wave is ready as soon as space opens. A simple chart helps. List your beds, what's in them now, and what comes next. I'll link my garden planner in the description. Succession planting is what separates a frantic 2-week harvest from a garden that produces steadily from April through November. Do you succession plant or do one big planting?